Good morning, Spirit Tower, Air 832 Yankee, ready for departure 26 left.
Air 32 Yankee, Spirit Tower, westbound departure approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, and to the west, 32 Yankee. Spirit Tower, we have a rough engine at 32 Yankee, returning back to the field.
32 Yankee, roger. Okay, we can make an internal right downwind for runway 26 left, and do you require any additional handling?
Right downwind for 26 left, not yet, 32 Yankee. Okay, Spirit Tower, I think we have an emergency. I'm just going to go on 8 left for 32 Yankee.
32 Yankee, roger. Understand you're declaring this emergency. Runway 8 left, clear to land. Number 32 Yankee, glad to have on the ground, and 1-8, we can contact ground point 7. They'll help you from here.
Ground point 7, thanks for your help, 32 Yankee.